Good day. How are you doing, my dear student? Are you ready for the next learning session? Today, we will deal with the two properties of matter not anchored on the changes. Remember the two properties based on two changes? Physical property of matter is where physical change occur. Chemical property, on the other hand, can be observed only when chemical change occurs. Those two were discussed from the previous video. This time, we will discuss intensive and extensive properties. Extensive property of matter depends on how much matter is being considered. Intensive property does not depend on the amount of matter being considered. Let us have an example. The length of pencil. If we break a pencil into two, here's my pencil. I'm going to break this pencil into two halves. Will the length of the pencil also change? Pause. You probably have an instant answer there. Yes, the value of the length will also change. This means that length is an example of extensive property because the value for length changes as you add or remove other parts. Let us try this one. What if we cut the blue shirt into two equal halves? Okay. What will happen to its color? Will it change or not? Pause. You have definitely think of the answer faster here. Of course, the color remains blue because it is not dependent on the amount of matter being considered. Therefore, color is an example of intensive property. So, have you think of a way to identify whether a property is intensive or extensive? Let us put that into test. Mass. I have here a weighing scale. Okay. And I'm going to put a weight, one kilogram weight. Okay. So mass. Is it extensive or intensive? Paused. Yes, mass is an extensive property. The value is based on the amount of matter. How about a temperature? I'm going to look for a thermometer. Okay, here's the picture of a thermometer. Is it intensive or extensive? Think and analyze. Pause. Okay, let me give you a clue with this demonstration. Okay, going to use these two. Okay, so when you pour a hot tea from a teapot to a cup, what can you say about the temperature of the tea from the teapot and on the cup? Is it the same? Or it was divided into two? Paused. Yes, the temperature is the same. Therefore, temperature is an intensive property. I hope that you already grasped the idea in our session. In summary, extensive property is dependent on the amount of matter being considered, while intensive property is not dependent on the amount of matter being considered. That's all. Thank you.